What's up guys, Stevie J here, Beyond the Details, with another unboxing slash first impressions on a product I have here today. I know it's been a while. I always mean to make videos and I don't, as far as like my Galaxy Fold 3 I was going to do a video on. I just got the Mac Mini. I'm always buying things, but I haven't really had a chance to do a review. I ended up getting the G915 wireless keyboard for the Mac Mini. Didn't really like the TKL one, which is the variant I got, so I went ahead and picked up the full-size G915. So what I'm going to do is go open this up, let you guys know my first impressions, and yeah, you guys know what it is. Alright, so first thing first, I'm going to go ahead and move my fold out of the way. Actually, I do want to read you guys some of the specs in case you're interested in hearing about it, which I'm sure you can do it yourself. But it does have 30 hours of battery life at 100% brightness. I'm not sure if that means with extensive use. I know you have different patterns that you can use on this, so that might change if you use different lighting conditions. But it says it's 30 hours at 100% brightness, which is should be known. It has a 2-year warranty. There's 2 lighting profiles. These are the shadow keys. I know that much, and they're low profile GL switches. The actuation distance is 1.5 millimeters. Okay, let's go ahead and open it up. And it's pretty much going to be identical for the most part with the TKO one, but just for the purpose of this unboxing, I'm going to show you guys first and foremost what comes in the packaging. You're going to get the USB, regular USB connectivity. It's not a USB-C, which is weird to me, and something that I believe this ran me $229.99 or something like that, but it doesn't bother me, it's whatever. You get the little G sticker thing that we've been doing as far as their logo, which I actually, I like getting stuff like that. The color collection, who cares about this stuff, right? And then this is going to be a USB where you would plug into the back of whatever machine. Oh, there it is. You're going to put this in the back of your laptop or whatever it is that has a USB-A, so you're able to connect. I believe that's how you do the light stream or light, whatever the heck it's called. We're just going to give it a better performance even though it's wireless. And this won't go back in. But I'm not trying to finger with that too often. We'll get this out of the way. Immediately what you notice about this keyboard is how well built it is. It's probably one of the nicer feeling keyboards that I've ever came across. Just my personal feeling, as you can feel it. It's not plastic. I don't exactly know what this is. I believe it's considered aluminum. The back is plastic, however. You do have your stands, 2 different elevations. This is the on and off here. That's where you're going to put your USB port there. And for the most part, that's it. It feels great. It's not the lightest keyboard, which I like. I don't like things that feel too light because they feel cheap. That's kind of why I went and returned the XM4 headphones and went and got the AirPod Maxes, because they just, for $100, because there's a lot of sales, for the AirPod Maxes. I wouldn't pay full price on them, but it just all the other headphones are cheap, plasticky feeling. It's just not interested in. Yeah. That's the keyboard. Should have a little juice. So that's the first turn on. As you can see, it's a beautiful keyboard. Beautiful keyboard. If you want to hear how it sounds. Feels great. And that is the unboxing first impressions on the Logitech G915 keyboard.